POR-15 Rust Preventive Coating is designed for application directly on rusted, sandblasted, and seasoned metal surfaces. It dries to a rock-hard, non-porous finish that won't chip, crack, or peel. And it prevents rust from recurring by protecting metal from further exposure to moisture. The secret lies in POR-15 Rust Preventive Coating's curing process. Most paints dry through evaporation, but POR-15 Rust Preventive Coating is moisture cured and dries faster when moisture is present. It is self-leveling when applied with a brush, and when cured is waterproof, impact resistant, heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius, and will adapt to the expansion and shrinkage of surface caused by temperature changes. POR-15 high performance coatings revolutionized rust protection. POR-15. Follow the leader from rust to finish.